Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Nylon Meat Masher. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including nonstick and coated. Garlic press. Simple to use and built to last. Our premium quality garlic press is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Crush and mince unpeeled cloves. No more strong garlic odor or sticky residue lingering on your hands. Our garlic mincer is designed with a comfortable, ergonomic handle that requires minimal effort on your wrists and hands to peel, crush, and mince the cloves in one go, yielding delicious garlic paste while the peels stay in the chamber. Coffee maker. The Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker delivers a reliable and efficient brewing experience suitable for a broad audience. With its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions of 9.8 by 13.8 by 13H, it seamlessly fits into various kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter space. This coffee maker boasts a fully automatic operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The programmable features allow users to brew coffee at their convenience, while the removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. The auto clean function is particularly useful for maintenance, ensuring that the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, the K-Classic can brew a Stanley Quencher H2.0 tumbler. Your dream tumbler. Whichever way your day flows, the H2O Flow State tumbler keeps you refreshed with fewer refills. Double wall vacuum insulation means drinks stay cold, iced, or hot for hours. Choose between our 14-aughts, 20-aughts, 30-aughts, 40-aughts, and 64-aughts options depending on your hydration needs. The narrow base on all sizes except 64-aughts fits just about any car cup holder, keeping it right by your side. Advanced lid construction. Whether you prefer small sips or maximum thirst quenching, Stanley has developed an advanced flow state lid featuring a rotating cover with 3 positions. A straw opening designed to resist splashes with a seal that holds the reusable straw in place, a drink opening, and a full cover top for added leak resistance. We've also included an ergonomic, comfort grip handle so you can easily carry your ice-cold water to work, meetings, the gym, or trips out of town. Earth-friendly durability. Constructed of 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel for sustainable sipping, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 has the durability to stand up to a lifetime of use. Eliminate the use of single-use plastic bottles and straws with a travel tumbler built with sustainability in mind. Panasonic Rice Cooker. Makes 6 cups of freshly cooked rice and other foods. This Panasonic rice cooker prepares up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, 6 cups cooked, used with white, brown, yellow, short, or long grain rice and other foods including oatmeal, soups, and vegetables. One-step automatic cooking. Simple, one-step operation with the push of a button. Includes automatic shutoff function when cooking is complete. Durable non-stick coated aluminum pan. The resilient, non-stick aluminum-coated inner pan is designed to withstand years of continual heat and use, and is easy to clean. Glass lid with plastic white knob. A tempered see-through glass lid with plastic knob lets you safely monitor cooking. Included accessories. A measuring cup and rice scoop are included for easy cooking and serving. Dimensions: WXDH 240 x 198 x 210. Non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland iLag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable, this grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids. Bilbach. Trivets set. You will receive 4 pieces of trivets for hot dishes. Measuring 7 inches in diameter and 0.3 inches thick, these hot pads for kitchen blend boho and country farmhouse styles, suitable for dishes, pans, and pans under 7 inches. Excellent water absorption. These hot pads is made of cotton ropes, which are super absorbent and sturdy. No worry about dishes or pans will dirty your table. Pure cotton material supports hand wash and machine wash. Heat resistant. Our pot holders are thickened to withstand temperatures up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. They can be placed under hot dishes, hot pots, and pans as protection and decoration, which can effectively block heat sources, scratches, and stains, perfectly protecting the tabletop and extending the life of the table. Air fryer magnetic cheat sheet. Air fryer magnet. This air fryer times and temp guide magnet is carefully crafted with waterproof, oil-resistant, and tear-proof materials. Our cheat sheet is built to last. The sturdy big magnet, 10.5 into 6.5 inch, and small magnet, 5 into 5 inch, securely attaches to your fridge or any magnetic surface. Air frying made easy. These cool kitchen gadgets come with 2 cooking essential magnetic cheat sheets made for air fryers that show the cooking time, temperature, and portion of food to take the guesswork out of cooking, so you don't have to waste time looking things up. This makes for a great air fryer cookbook for beginners. Larger font is printed on the small magnet with your most popular frozen foods for even easier referencing. Makes a thoughtful gift for all occasions. Knife set. Set includes 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, 5.5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 2.75-inch bird's beak paring knife, 4.5-inch steak knives, 6, 8-inch sharpening steel, all-purpose household shears, and wooden block superior performance. Cuisinart's classic forged triple rivet cutlery possesses superior high-carbon stainless steel blades for precision and accuracy. Total control. Durable extra-wide safety bolster for perfect stability and control. Well-built. Stainless steel rivets to secure the full tang blade to the ergonomically designed handle. Onion holder. Smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Once for all, upgrade Safe Mandolin Slicer Plus. Safer Slicer. Safety mandolin slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade. Slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity. Once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer, larger feeding port and container chopper, more food at once, offers 4 mode choices: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once, no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness, 0.1 to 8 millimeters, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. Easy to clean. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chopping veggies has never been easier. Meet the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, your new kitchen essential. With a sharp stainless steel blade, it dices onions, peppers, and more in seconds. No more tears, no more mess, just quick and even chopping. The non-slip base keeps it steady for safe use. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, perfect for meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. Whether you're making salsa, salads, or stir fries, this chopper does it all. Ready to chop like a pro? Get yours today.